Turmeric is one of the most powerful spices in the world, and it's not just something you add to food for color. For centuries, turmeric has been used in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for inflammation, pain, poor sleep, and even heart health. And today, modern science is confirming what ancient cultures already knew. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is responsible for most of turmeric's healing benefits because it works as a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. So let's talk about the hidden health benefits of turmeric, especially for high blood pressure, insomnia, and inflammation, and the right dosage for both turmeric tea and supplements. First, turmeric and high blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is often called the silent killer because it can damage your body without obvious symptoms. Over time, it increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Curcumin may help support healthier blood pressure by improving blood vessel function. It helps the arteries relax and expand more easily, which improves circulation. Turmeric also reduces oxidative stress, one of the key drivers behind stiff blood vessels. While turmeric is not a replacement for medication, it can be a powerful natural support when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Next, turmeric and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern health problems. Joint pain, arthritis, digestive discomfort, autoimmune conditions, and even fatigue can all be linked to long-term inflammation in the body. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory pathways, almost like a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Many people who take turmeric regularly report less swelling, reduced stiffness, and improved mobility, especially in the joints. Now let's talk about turmeric and insomnia. This one surprises many people. Turmeric may actually help improve sleep quality. Inflammation and stress in the body can interfere with relaxation and disrupt sleep hormones like melatonin. Curcumin may help calm the nervous system, reduce stress markers, and support a more balanced mood. That's why many people find that drinking turmeric tea at night helps them fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Now, the most important question: what is the right dosage? Let's start with turmeric tea. A safe and effective turmeric tea recipe is half to 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric per cup of hot water. Simmer it gently for about 10 minutes, not just a quick mix, because heat helps release the active compounds. For maximum absorption, always add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption dramatically. You can also add ginger, honey, or a splash of milk to make it smoother and more relaxing. For sleep support, drink turmeric tea about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Now for turmeric supplements. Supplements are much more concentrated than turmeric powder. Most research uses around 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin per day. Many capsules contain 500 milligrams, taken once or twice daily. If you're using turmeric powder capsules instead of curcumin extract, the dosage is usually higher, around 1 to 3 grams per day. Always choose a supplement that includes black pepper extract or a highly bioavailable curcumin form, otherwise your body absorbs very little. And a quick safety note: if you are pregnant, have gallbladder problems, or take blood thinners or blood pressure medication, speak with your doctor before using high-dose turmeric supplements. So, in summary, turmeric is more than a kitchen spice. It's a natural powerhouse that may help support healthy blood pressure, fight inflammation, and even improve sleep quality. Whether you drink it as golden turmeric tea or take it as a supplement, the key is using the right dose consistently. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment below. Have you tried turmeric for your health? See you in the next video.